Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva for 2025. Thumbnails are super important. They're the very first thing viewers see, and having an eye-catching design can really help boost your clicks. The good news is, Canva makes this quick, easy, and actually pretty fun. So first, open up Canva in your browser. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a search bar. Type in YouTube thumbnails and hit enter. This will bring up a whole library of ready-made templates that already use the correct YouTube dimensions. Take a moment to scroll through and explore the designs. Canva has everything, from bold, colorful layouts that pop to clean and minimal ones if that fits your style better. Think about your channel's vibe and the type of audience you want to attract. Then choose a template that matches. Once you've picked one, click Customize this template and you'll jump right into the Canva editor. Now it's time to make it your own. Start by changing the text. Use strong, simple words that grab attention. Remember, thumbnails are small, so keep it short and super clear. You can play with fonts, colors, and sizes until it feels right. Next, swap out the image. If you have a specific photo or screenshot in mind, click on Uploads in the left-hand sidebar and drag your file in. Once it's uploaded, click on it and it'll appear in your design. From there, you can resize, crop, and reposition so it works well with your text. While you're editing, zoom out every so often to check how your thumbnail looks at a smaller size. On YouTube, thumbnails appear tiny, so you want to make sure your design is still easy to read and visually balanced. And that's basically it. In just a few steps, you've created a YouTube thumbnail that's customized to your video and stands out on the platform. So yeah, that's how you make thumbnails in Canva. Quick, simple, and really effective.